And there would be hundreds of thousands of such cases across the state, and no wonder in India itself, in entire India, different states, where such kind of grievances go unheard. There's only one case which has come before this court of this nature. There would be thousands of cases of this nature. That is why on that day I said that nowadays investigation only comes to full stop after recording police statement of the accused. I don't know in which era these police officials are living. English rulers have gone. That fear psychosis is no more there among the criminals. You have to rise to the occasion. Change your way of investigations. Adapt to the contemporary ways of investigation. You are sticking to Danda investigation. Beating the accused or innocent, whosoever you nab, black and blue, and then ensure divulging of facts of your convenience. This is the quality of investigation you have. And look at the daredevilness of the SP that he filed such kind of report, which expressly shows what kind of investigation has taken place. This is the situation. Why should we not haul up this SP as for contempt? See, we have been giving you enough long rope so that you people are not put to any embarrassment. But when things cross a certain level, it is difficult for us to protect you. It's a case of not only human rights, but also that of a quality of life and liberty, which every citizen of this country is expected to enjoy. You, being police officer, is expected to address the problems of the public at large. You are meant for it. You cannot segregate. He's a poor man, let him be there. Some big persons, high profile persons of different avocations. If there is a complaint, you all stand up and ensure that there is no lapse in the matter of investigation of such complaints. But as against that, if there is a poor person, this is the quality of investigation. This is an example. How you would treat a poor man. Is he not a citizen of India? Is he not a citizen of India? Is there any difference between him and me except the constitutional authority we have? That's all. We all are human beings. We all are citizens. The problem is because you see, the problem is not with SP. Problem is with the psyche. What happens is, once you adorn a chair of authority, be it executive authority or for that matter judicial authority, and you get attached to that authority, all problem starts. Because you identify yourself with the chair. you forget that who you are and what is the obligation upon you while you adorn the chair, either of justice or that of executive. Unless you adorn the chair with sense of detachment and be committed to your conviction to perform your duty, you can never rise to the occasion and may ensure proper discharge of duty. Somewhere you will be falling in the trap which you yourself lay in the context of subjectivity in your actions. You can only attain objectivity in your actions if you have a sense of detachment. This is what is required of all public authorities while they are trusted with the powers in public domain. If you don't do that, you definitely get somewhere embarrassed or exposed because your activities shall always be ruled by your sense of subjectivity. Because you would decide yourself what is right, what is wrong. And for you, rule of law is nothing but a few letters in the Constitution of India. And this is the outcome. High Court passes the order, hold an inquiry, SP is unmindful of the sensitivity of the order, the mandate of the order, and says, additional SP, prepare it, send it. No wonder this report is not signed by him. Who has signed this report? Look at it. Even he didn't have a courtesy to sign the report. This is the state of affairs. Mr. Verma, that is why on that day I had told you, you please look into these things. You are a senior officer. Recently you have come to Gwalior. Nothing boils down to your actions, as a matter of fact. You were not here when all these things happened. But look at these officers. And these office persons who are below your SP rank officers. Their conduct, you're seeing it. See all these facts. Will it not disturb us? And you want to justify that since August 17 we are doing all this. It's total farce. There has not been any sincere efforts